Hello everyone and welcome back to Java Forever course. Currently we are learning while loop and in today's class we will go over some of the basic concepts of while loop. In the previous class I used two words. One is definite and another is indefinite. I intentionally did not use the word while. However, in Java when we talk about indefinite we know that indefinite we know that indefinite is when it is driven by a condition. In case of definite, it is we know the number of iterations. This is what we refer as while loop. On the other hand, this is what we refer as for loop. And then we will see couple of variations of while or for. That's perfectly fine. But remember that a while loop is always driven by a condition, and it is also referred as indefinite loop. And both of these are type of finite loop. In the next class, we will look into the code part of it. But remember, when we identify condition and we identify the need to repeat a set of tasks based on that condition, we are definitely talking about while loop. As you can see in the diagram here, that there is, when the code comes, a condition is checked, a diamond is checked here, and that is a visual representation, what we call it flowchart. In the flowchart, we see there is a condition. If this condition is true, then you are going to execute some task. And if you remember, this is very similar to what we did it in the if loop. Only difference is in case of if, we did, when it was true, we did some task and we exited. When false, we did something else. This is how it was in if loop. Now in the if condition. Now in the case of iteration, in case of while loop, we are not going to simply continue after true. Indeed, we will do a block of code and then we go back to the condition here, and then we again run this, when do a check, and if the condition is still true, again repeat this task. And you will see the code version of it in the next class. I hope the concept of while loop, or what we call it indefinite loop, is very clear to you. This idea or concept is applicable to every programming language and is not specific to Java. However, in the next class, you will see Java specific condition. I'll see you guys in the next class. Please practice and keep learning. See you again.
Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos.